How to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you want to do is open the settings and then go to the apps manager like this. Open the apps, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the WhatsApp, or I'm sorry, scroll until you find the Instagram app, click on it, and then right here click on this forward stop. And after that you have to go back to the home page, open Instagram, and now you have to wait a few seconds. Go to your profile, and then all what you want to do now, go to those three lines right here, click on the settings, and click here on this help. Click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, and now all what you want to do is send a message to the Instagram support, and they will help you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.